Country's enormous possibility in jute sector has been proven in the 80s. But due to lack of facilities, farmers are now losing interest in cultivating jute. International Jute Study Group Secretary General Sudipto Roy has said that the sector can once again turn round if public and private sector come forward in rescuing the sector.
Growing so much that whenever we travel in various parts of the world, there is a tremendous demand for biodegradable, non-synthetic products. Legislations are taking place, especially in the European Union, parts of the West, where synthetics are being banned gradually, and they're looking at alternative products. Jute does have a recognition, especially those who understand the value.
Private sector in the country seems to be eager in investing in the jute sector and has proven the making profit from the sector is not impossible. Industries Minister has assured that the government is trying to revive and develop jute industries and that the government will give all-out support in this regard.
The private sector of our country is now eager to invest in this sector by using locally produced green jute. It is a praiseworthy venture, and I assure you that our government will extend all-out support to private entrepreneurs.
Held at the DCCI Bhavan, DCCI President Abul Qasim Khan and ICCB President Mr. Mahbubur Rahman were also present at this program. Masud Rana, News and Images.